Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to disable calls on the Messenger app. Whether you want to avoid distractions or simply don't want to be disturbed, this quick adjustment will help you stay focused. Start by opening the Messenger app. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your settings menu. Scroll down and select Notifications and Sounds. Here, you'll find an option to mute notifications. You can choose to mute for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, or 24 hours. Pick the duration that best suits your needs and confirm your choice. This will silence all Messenger notifications so you won't get those annoying pop-ups. For an additional method to block calls, head to your device's main Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. Then search for Messenger in the search bar and select it from the list. In the app settings, tap on Permissions. Here, you'll need to disable permissions for the camera, microphone, and phone. Simply tap on each of these permissions, camera, microphone, phone, and choose Deny. This will prevent Messenger from accessing these features, effectively stopping all incoming calls. And that's it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.